coffee in over like 2 months. Ah, it's amazing. So if you're wondering what the hell is going on right here, this is my natural hair. Just decided to go natural. Feeling like it's looking kind of frizzy, but like whatever, there it is. All right, so Dollar Tree haul time, and I found some really cute items. I also went back to get a couple of baskets because as I was organizing through my drawer system in my craft room, I realized that there are these baskets that I got from Dollar Tree that fit perfectly in the drawer. So I'll show you what those are. I'll probably pull Loki in a second because I know you guys need to see him in every video. I totally understand. Lori made the request, so we're gonna give Loki for Lori. But he's over there chewing on a shoe. This is what I'm dealing with, folks. All right, so let's just jump in because I want to show you guys what I picked up. All right, the first thing is actually for my hair. So I just got this little spray bottle. I saw this video where a girl talked about, I think it was like the oiliness in her hair, and she recommended doing like apple cider vinegar in the shower. So she like sprayed her hair kind of thing and then rinsed it out. So I've trained my hair before, by the way. I've even like talked about it in a vlog long time ago, but my hair does get very oily. It's probably because I have very thin hair. I don't know really the science behind it, but I've tried like training my hair, meaning like not washing it so that it kind of realizes it doesn't need to get as oily, but I found that really doesn't work that well for me. So I'm gonna try this apple cider vinegar hack, and I needed a little spray bottle to pour it in, and then I'll just keep it in the shower and see how well that does, because I have to basically wash my hair every day and I really don't want to be doing that. So I'm gonna give that a go. Also, I recently talked about this hair hack as well. I don't remember what video it was from, so I'll just tell you guys all over again. But the other issue that I have with my hair is when I go to sleep, I feel like it's been taking a big hit lately. I either keep it up all the time in a bun, which can't be good for it. I'm always wearing a hat, can't be good for it all the time. And even though I have silk pillows, I'm still finding that it seems to look very brittle and damaged. So I saw this other video where a girl took a fuzzy sock, she took her hair, put it back like this, pulled the sock through, and then I'll kind of demonstrate. You busy? Because this might take a minute. So basically, she did this. Oh, y'all have to see Loki, so cute. I really don't know how she did this, but like, I try to work. Keeping the hair straight, okay? Not like bunching it up. She put a hair oil on first, okay? At the ends. And then she put a sock, she took a scrunchie to keep the sock in place, and she slept like this, and highly recommended the process. So that's why I picked up these socks from Dollar Tree, the fuzzy ones, by the way. So we'll try that. You know, that kind of makes sense because whenever I do like lotion or healing treatment for my heels, I put on the lotion and then I put on a fuzzy sock and not like a regular sock. But anyways, there's that in case anybody wants to try it yourselves. I also picked up a little tool set. Here's what you need to know in case you're new. One, pretty much live by myself when my daughter's not home from college. I don't know why I started off with that, but I basically fix everything myself, and I've pretty much done it with all Dollar Tree tools. And I just felt like the one that I had, I feel like it's stripped. I feel like you can strip screws and Phillip heads and all those things. So I needed some new tools. So I just picked up this little set. Might as well give it a go. I love Dollar Tree tools. As a matter of fact, I don't actually think I've ever picked up tools from anywhere else, maybe like Walmart. So I got that. And then I picked up this Nature's Garden Mountain Trail Mix. I actually buy this from Walmart and found it at Dollar Tree. What I thought was cool about this is that it's a multi-pack of individual packs. I wish I would have saw this one when I was getting my guest bedroom ready for my family that came in for Christmas, because I did a whole basket in a Dollar Tree haul. I kind of expected them to be packaged differently, but I actually really like this. Could even like put this in the car, you know, when it's not hot in Texas. Like this would just melt and just wouldn't be good. But like in the winter, spring, I might do that. So, so there's that. So I found those. Also, they're putting out a bunch of new little toys, and you definitely want to be on the lookout for this at Dollar Tree in case you're going to be doing gift baskets for kids. So I found the emoji little balls. They had a bunch of the different like emoji faces, but here's what I picked up. They are so funny and cute and kind of like a stress ball. So even if you just have like a special emoji between you and someone else, you know, that you use, this could be like a funny gift to kind of pick up for them. And there was also this one, the little hug one. 5 minutes in, I haven't shown you anything, like 2 things. Okay, then I found these really cute hair clips, and if you're a crafter, go get these because they are so cute. Obviously very cute for your hair, but these are very trendy right now. Trendy for bracelet making. You could definitely, I don't know if they have the little, yeah, I don't know if you could, how well you could deconstruct this, but these could end up being cute, some type of like way for crafting. So I found those 2. And then I also found Slime by Nickelodeon, which these would probably be a great pickup for an Easter basket. I also found it in blue. I should have gone through all this, but listen, I didn't. Oh, here's another little, this one's probably my favorite. If I use any emoji, it's probably the little guy with the sunglasses. He just cracks me up. I feel like, did I only find these 3 slimes? I thought there was a yellow one, but that's pretty cool. Like a big name brand of slime, which is very, you know, it's a popular toy right now. So I found that. And then y'all, this item right here, I about choked. I was like, I'm gonna show it to you. I'm not gonna say anything. Can you, like, please tell me in what instance would you pull this out? Are you like at home and you're just like, you went to the bank and now you're just gonna like just mark your bills, make sure? Like, where are you at doing this? Do you put it in your purse and, you know, are you out at a store and they give you cash back and you're like, wait a second, and then you like mark? Also, I want to know the accuracy of this. The ink turns dark if bill is forged. Also, I want to know, is counterfeit like even a thing? I'm sorry if that's a stupid question, but is it? Because also when I think of counterfeiting, I imagine Goonies, where they go down to the basement, you know, of the restaurant, and they turn on the machine, $50 bill, you know, and it's like, but it's only printed on one side, the other side's blank. Let's move on before my brain explodes. I also found this like kinetic sand. They're not calling it kinetic sand, it just says sand. I'm imagining it's kind of, or maybe it's not kinetic, I don't really know. Maybe it's just sand. But look at these cute little pails, and I found it in these 3 colors right here. What? These are gonna be so cute for an Easter basket. Like if my niece was older, I would probably give this to her. She was probably like, it says 3+. She's 4. Oh my goodness, there's something in there. I just realized that. I mean, I guess. Would you give sand to a 4-year-old? I don't know. Let me know what you think. But I found those. So there's that. And then I found this adorable sticker set. If you love shopping for stickers and you craft and all that, go get this one. Because this is darling. My favorite type of stickers at Dollar Tree are the ones that are clear. Like, do you see how there's like no outline? They're just simply the absolute best. And they're just, oh, I feel like they're so underrated, because I feel like if more people knew how amazing these stickers were, maybe people do know. Maybe that's why I only found this one, I don't know. But very excited for this one. I also picked up a new bar of Dial soap. I've been getting more into using soap in my shower routine, So I saw this one and knew that it was new. They sell like all the other like dial options at Dollar Tree, but this is Silk and Sea Berry. You get 2 bars in here. Now here's what I want to know. I want to know the color of the soap. So I'm gonna open this up and we're gonna find out together. So I'm gonna do no editing for this clip. Why say that? Okay, there it is. Smells good. I can smell it outside the box. Pleasantly surprised. Like a little tangerine. I thought it was going to be white, but I love when the soaps are different colors. I don't know why, but anyway, so adding those to my shower routine. And then I'm also on this whole thing of collecting lip glosses and chapsticks from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna eventually do like a collection video soon, but I found this little Hershey's chocolate versions, and these are definitely new. What is interesting about this is this little $1 tag. It's familiar. Is this Target? This is what the Target looks like, right? Or is this Walmart? I don't know. Let me know where you think those came from, because we know it wasn't $1 at Dollar Tree. But here's what I found. What? So the Reese's, the cookies and cream, the milk chocolate, and then the s'mores marshmallow. Very cute. All right, and then when I was mentioning those baskets, these were the ones that fit really well in my, I think it's like 6. I think I could have done 6, but I couldn't remember. I should have written it down. I got 5. I don't even know what I did here, but anyways, I'll probably do a clip or something so you guys can kind of see how it fits in the drawer. But yeah, really like these. Love the neutral color of them as well. And then I found this little toy thing, Disney Princess. And what was really interesting about this, I've never seen Dollar Tree do something quite like this, and that is that you use gems to make the art, basically. So like, you know how you color in numbers? It's like that, but with gems. You see how there's the number all over the, or like, I don't know. Did I make any sense just then? But I thought that was cool. You use gems, basically, instead of crayons or whatever. So I thought that was really cute, and I love Jasmine, so. And you also get Mulan, I think, in here. So I found those. And then, of course, one of my favorite items at Dollar Tree are their window clings. And I found a cute little jackpot of the St. Patty's Day. I personally use these, by the way, to craft with, like in my planners. Yes, they're kind of big stickers. If you wanted to, you could like cut them in half, kind of do one portion of the truck like on one side of your spread, the other back end on like the other side, kind of like connecting them that way. But I love planning in like big planners. Like the Happy Planner, I like the large ones. So I found that these stickers work really well. And sometimes all you need is a little bit of hot or a glue stick. And sometimes not even that. It kind of depends on the cling itself. Some of them just already have a good enough stick to them, but a glue stick is all you need to really secure it. Like, look how cute that is. I mean, a whole spread you could do with these. You know, if you're like into card making, friend mail, these are perfect for crafting with. Scrapbooking, like all of those things. So there was actually probably one more option. It had like forest animals. I didn't get it. I don't know why. I think it was towards the back, and you know that whole thing. All right. Then coming towards the end, I found these little LED hanging lamps. I know Dollar Tree's done lamps of this version before, but have they been exactly like this? I can't remember. Somebody remind me if I've hauled this specific lamp before. They are so cute. You can see the little like fairy lights in there. So let me just, y'all, I feel like I haven't hauled this specific one. I think it looked very similar to it, and I actually think I have them upstairs because I wanted to do a garland of them. Yeah, I think it was like more of like a bigger light bulb look. But how cute is this? When I saw this, I thought about maybe stringing them on my fence. I don't know. I just thought they were really cute. So I only picked up 3, I think, because I wasn't quite sure like where I wanted to go. Yeah, just 3. So I think once I make a decision on like where I want these to go, I'll probably go back and buy some more. Then they put out some summertime ribbon, and let me stack these up because they are beautiful. Like, run to get this, ladies, gentlemen, because this is so cute. I love that we're getting like the solid options to kind of match the thicker ribbons, and the lemon print, they did so well in my opinion. And then here's this one with all of the sentiments. I just love this little color palette. It's very pretty, very inspiring. I really like the black with the yellow and the green. He's digging the rug, you know. That rug won't last. All right, and then the finale piece. You should have seen my reaction at the store. They're solar lights. I always love looking to see what Dollar Tree is gonna do, but these by far are the cutest solar lights I've ever seen them do, ever. And I can tell you without a shadow of a doubt, these are brand new. Like, they're just items that I just know straight out the bat that I know I've never hauled before. I mean, first of all, the quality of these little lights are amazing for the price, like truly. But they are giving us little butterflies. What? No. And I got every color that I saw. 4. I say this about Dollar Tree. They typically do things in 4s. These are just, these are amazing. By the way, the stakes are at the bottom. Make sure yours has it. Okay, so, and then you go like this and stake it into the ground. So, and be careful. It's actually pretty sharp. Loki, you'll come say hi to everybody. Come say hi. Come here, boo-boo. Yeah, come say hello. Come on. Up. Good boy, yes. Look how handsome. Everyone just came here for you. But I would too. I would too. Say, look at me, everyone. I'm chewing on this shoe. Okay, bye. That's it? That's all we get? Oh, round 2. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Look into the camera. Say hello. We don't know. I don't know what he weighs right now. If I had to guess, I would say he's at 70 pounds. He's 5 months old. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's actually gonna be a Dollar General haul. I went in, I found some really cute items, and I'm excited to share them with you. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Definitely come back. And also, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching all of my videos, for being so supportive. I wouldn't be able to be here in front of the camera and share all this with you guys if you didn't watch my videos. So I just want to thank you guys so much again for your love and your support, and always the sweetest comments. So thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.